Are the things you hold in holding you back instead?
Good night.
Did you miss that good night kiss with your number one because of number two?
Yeah.
Let the pros take it from here.
I swear these fit this morning.
Been beat down by bloat.
Yeah.
You know what you need to do? Call the pros. Keep your clothes. Bubble guts turning me time into the opposite of feeling great?
Yeah.
Stop stalling. Call the pros.
Yes.
And by pros, we mean Xyngular Complete Probiotic. 11 unique strains, 20 billion CFUs, and our exclusive organic probiotic blend to get your gut in order and get you feeling just right. Call the pros and live that happy gut life. Xyngular Complete Probiotic.